I look scary. I love it. Oh my god. Hey everyone, it's T Beauty, and of course I am back with another video. Okay, it is my favorite time of year. It is a spooky season. Okay, I love Halloween. I love all the beautiful creative looks I'm seeing all over Instagram, all over TikTok. Okay, I am loving it all. You know, I'm a girl that loves the creativity of makeup. Okay, so I'm here to do a spooky, creepy Halloween clown. Okay, I cannot wait to see how this look is gonna turn out. I have not done this look before, so we're gonna be doing this together. Okay, so hopefully I don't end up looking crazy. Like, it's Halloween, we're allowed to look crazy, but in a good way. You know, I hope I don't look crazy. So let's definitely get into the tutorial. And of course, if you have been watching my videos, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. Okay, your girl needs some support. And don't forget to also hit that beautiful like button, all right, and become part of the gang, the Beauty Mafia. Here we are. Okay, and yeah, let's get into the video. All right, so of course, as you can see, I've already done like the base portion of my face, just to cut down on time. So I did my eyebrows, I did my foundation already. So to begin this look, okay, I'm gonna start with my eyeshadow. So I'm just gonna start with some concealer on my lid. Okay. Makeup is just so cute. Like, look at the art behind that, super vintage. So I'm gonna be using probably this black and this deep eggplant purple. I'm gonna go in with this brown. So now I'm going in with this shade. I wanted to do like a more glam version of this look, so I'm actually going to be going in with some shimmer shades on the actual lid. So I'm gonna go in with this glittery shade. Now I'm going in with a pencil brush, like a pencil blending brush, and I'm going in with a black shadow to put right at the crease there. With that same brush, I'm going in with this eggplanty purple color. Just gonna go around where I place that black and blend it. Because I want this look to be a little bit more purpley and very dark. So I'm gonna add this shade right here, Bronze. My brow bone, I'm just gonna keep it matte. So I'm just using a matte beige shade. Placing that right there. All right, we are almost done with our eye look. Now we're actually gonna get into the really fun part of this look. So I'm going to use a black eyeshadow to do the actual drawings above my eyes, okay? So yes, something like that. So that's how that's looking so far. Don't worry, we're gonna neaten it up. Now we do the lash line. So I'm going back in with that deep purple shade. I'm going in with this deep purple shade here. And I'm just going around where I place that black just to add a little bit more gradient because I wanted this to be black and purple as opposed to just black. All right, so now I'm actually gonna go in with a liquid eyeliner And this is what I'm gonna use to define just to go over and outline it a little bit better. Of course, I'm gonna go back in and add my little dots. Okay, so for the lips, I'm gonna go in with my MAC Night Moth. So I'm gonna line my lips first. And then we're gonna go into doing our creepy smile. So I'm just gonna hold my lips like this and then draw the line. Out, just like that. Oh my god. I need to stop. I need to stop. Okay. Okay, so now I'm going in with MAC Smoked Purple just to deepen this up just a little bit. Okay, now I'm actually gonna do my eyeliner and my lashes off camera, and then I'll be back with the finishing touches. Okay, so lashes and eyeliner are on, and now I'm gonna go back in with some gold eyeshadow. I just wanna add a little bit more, you know, pizzazz, a little bit more sparkle to this look because I look scary AF and I wanted this to be a little bit more glam. So we're gonna add a little bit of gold eyeshadow. Let's just add it. The final step is, of course, my clown nose, okay? So I'm just gonna draw a little circle. we have the final look. Okay, so this is how it looks. I am so happy with how this turned out. To be honest, child, I didn't even know which way this was gonna go. Yeah, this is the final look. So there it is, ladies. Thank you so much for stopping by and watching this tutorial. I am so happy you are here. Thank you so much for all your support, and happy Halloween.